Today we're making my Nashville hot chicken seasoning. You can put this on anything and everything from popcorn to chicken to anything your heart desires. You could even put it on a bagel if you really wanted to. This recipe is so simple. Let's go make it. After living here in the Nashville area for almost 4 years, I knew I needed to create my own Nashville hot chicken seasoning. I have my Nashville hot chicken nugget recipe over on the blog. I have my Nashville hot chicken sandwich over on the blog. So I thought I need to get a seasoning. This is the same seasoning that's used in those two recipes, except for we're not using the oil. So the oil helps coat it on the breading when you're making it with the chicken. But if you just want to have a seasoning, this is it. I'm so excited to share it with you. In a small mixing bowl, we will first add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, not smoked paprika, but regular, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half of a teaspoon of chili powder. Make sure it's salt-free. And finally, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Now, I like to use brown cane sugar, and I like to use dark brown cane sugar, but you can also use light brown sugar if you desire. Just stir this together to combine. And then you can place this in an airtight container or jar, and it will last for a few months in the pantry. And that's how you make my homemade Nashville hot chicken seasoning. I hope you find many uses for this recipe. If you have a fun idea or a unique way of using this, comment below so we can all see your ideas. There are so many out there, so just let us know what you are making with this seasoning. If you like another homemade seasoning recipe, I'll leave my homemade everything bagel seasoning here or here. Definitely go check that one out as well. It's so simple and delicious. I'm so glad you could join me in the kitchen today. Until next time, go serve God by loving your family one recipe at a time.